Okay, so this is the GE 30-inch wall oven, and this does come in several different sizes for your home. This one here is going to be actually on the bottom part of our cabinet. You can see the top of the cabinet there, and we put it on the lower part rather than on the top, like on a regular wall oven, like if it would go up here higher. So I'm kind of sitting on the floor right now. You can see the bottom of the floor here. So anyway, there's a couple of features that I really like about this. Number one, the self-cleaning option is really awesome, but I really like the lock controls button. So if you can see right here, there's a lock controls button. And when I push that button for, let's say, 5 seconds or so, it'll actually lock all of the buttons, so that if you have little kids or whatever, or nieces and nephews that come around and they like to be able to push all the buttons and that sort of thing, they won't accidentally go ahead and start it. So I'm going to go ahead and push the lock control button so you guys can see what it does. So now it says that the controls are locked. So no matter what I try to do, if I try to push any of the buttons, nothing happens. So just wanted to go ahead and actually show that to you because I think that's really cool. It does have a proof button. So if you are a bread maker, you can actually go ahead and do the proof button. On the inside, ours is really dirty because my husband decided to go ahead and cook pizza without a tray. So I'm going to be doing a cleaning today, but it does have the 2 racks. And I like how this oven is just a little bit wider, but it's not as deep. So it works out really well for our home, which we have a family of 4. So I'm going to go ahead and unlock the controls. And then I am going to do a self-cleaning. And it's just a matter of pushing one button. You can set the time, and I'm going to leave it at 5 hours and then start it. And what it will do is actually lock the door, so that you cannot open the door when it's doing its cleaning process. This can be connected to your phone, so that if you are on the drive home and you need it to go ahead and actually preheat, because it does take a little while, you can actually go ahead and do the preheating on your phone. There's a lot of different options that you can do when it syncs to your phone, and then of course it is Wi-Fi compatible. So anyway, just wanted to go ahead and give you guys that small little details of our GE. We've had this for 2 years and we have not had any problems with it whatsoever. I've always been able to go ahead and connect it. If we've gotten a new Wi-Fi connection, we've been able to go ahead and upload it onto our phones. Again, no problems whatsoever, and I've had it for 2 years.